Right, there she is. Our home for the week. And for your £1,000 you get your top floor and the floor below. Right, let's go and have a look. This is the cafe downstairs. Pretty handy. They're a bit moody. This is the entrance here. That's the basement that flooded. Right, as we go up. So, there we go. Each floor you can see, numbered, a bit drifted. Continuing on with the seaside thing. There we go. Number 3. Let's go in. Start from the kitchen. Not much storage space mine, but pretty well equipped. Isn't it, Emily? Yeah, you like it here, don't you? Yeah. Living room area. Got a nice big TV. Dining table. Bedroom number 1. Same sort of lights as that in your way. Continuing on with the seaside theme. Pretty jazzy then. Not so great when you hit your head on them though. Have a look outside. Oh, and the wooden lamp. Bit of heavy door. Little seating area. A bit narrow, but better than nothing. When it's not flooded, it's quite a nice view. Unfortunately, these things happen. Balcony goes all the way around the outside. Can't use it for much, but nice to take a stroll. Flooded car park. This hotel over the road here was evacuated due to the flooding. Some guests are back in there, but majority of them were moved to another hotel down the road. Pumping water out of it for days. Right, let's go have a look at the second bedroom and bathroom. Pretty basic, modern. Sink, toilet, shower. Bit pokey, but adequate. pretty basic, but and same sort of lights. Air conditioning, in all fairness, pretty good as well. That's over both of the beds and the main kitchen area, stroke dining area. It's cooker hob. Washing machine. Dishwasher. In all fairness, you've supplied plenty of things to keep you going. Fridge, freezer. Alright, let's take a walk upstairs. With a top floor apartment, you get the area up here as well. Bit of a worrying gap though down the side when you've got kids. Four sun lounges. That's one for every person you can stay in. Seating area, cushions are in there. Nice little barbecue. Furnace, supply the gas as well. Outdoor light for it, so you can do it at night. Table and chairs. There you have it. And that's what you get for £1,000 in Mallorca in October. Is it worth it or not? Well, we didn't use this outside area much, to be honest. Spent more time going around the shops, restaurants, bars. Doesn't get the sun that much this time of year anyway. I think peak season, yeah, I think you'll get the sun in there quite a bit more. I think you get the sun in there quite a bit more. So yeah, I think you get more use out of it. If I came here again, probably wouldn't have this apartment. I'd probably pay for one of the lower ones, save the money. But yeah, all in, it's been a good apartment. Shame with what happened. Storm, these things can't be helped. People lost their lives, so we were lucky really. If we do return again, hopefully it will be back to normal and we'll be able to enjoy the beach as it's intended. Unfortunately, it's not there anymore. So anyway, thanks for watching and join me for the next video. Cheers.